everybody. I'm Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Hi there. Hope you guys are having a wonderful hump day. It is Wednesday, August 14th, and we'll update the weather for you. Looks like a little bit of a change in the works. Weather system approaching could bring in the probability that some of us are going to get some rather heavy rain and maybe a potent thunderstorm or two that will have to be watched. And we'll see if that translates into a wet weekend as well. So a couple of things to talk about here. First of all, and as always, we like to have a quick look from the camera there, the crib cam looking toward downtown Cleveland, off Cleveland Harbor. And there you can see the abundant sunshine today. Some clouds causing a bit of a milky tinge to the atmosphere, but other than that, no weather issues. Northeast winds out on the lake, becoming southeast. Wave action just a foot or less with those 5 to 10 knot winds. And tomorrow, winds swing around eventually out of the northeast. Again, 1 foot or less waves. The water temperature right now, 75 degrees. A look from outer space showing some puffy clouds, some fair weather cumulus clouds in the afternoon heat of the day. But for the most part, it is very quiet. Certainly no precipitation here in Northeast Ohio and all across the Buckeye State. Next system is starting to coalesce out in the Plain States. Eventually we'll drag a warm front in here, it looks like, late tomorrow on into Friday, and the potential for showers and thunderstorms, of course, will be on the increase. There will be a marginal risk for some isolated severe weather. Severe thunderstorms are possible, especially into Friday, and of course, we'll be keeping a very close eye on that. Meantime, most of the action, again, out over the Plain States, and we've got now Hurricane Ernesto north of Puerto Rico. You can actually see the northern part of Ernesto spinning out here, and that is north of Puerto Rico, Category 1 hurricane. The track on Ernesto takes it out over the open Atlantic Ocean, so it is fortunately no threat to the lower 48, and we'll hope to have that continue. As of right now, that appears to be the case, so no issues on the U.S. mainland. Meantime, radar showing some showers north and east of around Des Moines and Sioux Falls. The regional radar showing a couple of showers over Sault Ste. Marie in Michigan, and then over the northeast, basically north of Philly and up toward Albany, New York. Closest rainfall action that we can find. So how about the maps in motion? Well, right now high pressure is in control. Through the overnight hours continues to be the case. Very quiet weather scene is on the way for tonight as well. You can see, as you notice, out toward Minnesota and down into Iowa, there's a developing warm front and associated weather system, which is moving west to east, even as high pressure begins to give up some real estate here tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours tomorrow. A couple of showers showing up in northwest Ohio by that point, and there may be a renegade shower that shows up late tomorrow, but especially into Friday once that weather system moves in. You can see Friday morning the warm front close by, and the cold front is following in close pursuit by Friday evening. So that couplet there, the warm and the cold front, is moving over northern Ohio by Friday evening. So increasing the probability that we'll get rained or thundered on by Friday for sure. So here are the maps in motion. This is Futurecast radar. Most of the action, Iowa down to parts of Missouri and Illinois. The first round of showery weather arrives overnight Thursday into Friday, and certainly by Friday afternoon we could have some showery, thundery weather around as well. The potential for some strong thunderstorms is there. As dew point levels begin their climb, it'll be very slow, but the atmosphere does moisten up as the air becomes increasingly loaded up with moisture, especially by Friday when we bring in the increased potential for showers and thunderstorms. Our forecast tonight, though, does not include any rain, mostly clear skies. It'll be a quiet night tonight. Fine night for a stroll. The overnight low 62, and light north winds will freshen at 5 to 7 miles per hour. For tomorrow, partly sunny, a warm day, moderately humid as well. Temperatures mid to upper 80s, sun up at 6:37. Probability of rain only about 20%. And again, that will be late in the day. So don't expect that any rain activity would hamper your outdoor plans for tomorrow. Here's a look at the extended outlook now. Rain and thunderstorms on the increase Friday. The probability that we'll be dodging raindrops at least mid 80s on Friday. Rain is likely for Saturday. We're looking at a high of 82. And it looks like the showers and thunderstorms may persist into Sunday. Will decrease the probability just a bit. So it might be the pick of the 2 weekend days now, Sunday, with a high of 78. So not the best weekend outlook there. We'll see if we can fine tune and tweak some of those raindrops out of there. As of right now, though, it looks a little on the soggy side. Monday, a couple of showers in the morning, then drying out. High temp, 79, and overnight lows in the low 60s on Monday night. We'll see about that weekend forecast, everybody. Right now, it doesn't look to be superb, but it doesn't look like it'll rain the entire time. But it does appear that the likelihood that most of us will be dodging a few raindrops on and off through the weekend. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night.